The magic tree. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and thick forests, there stood a peculiar tree known as the magic tree. Legend had it that this ancient tree possessed mystical powers, granting wishes to those who approached it with a pure heart. In the village, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Elara. She had heard tales of the magic tree from the elders, but had always considered it nothing more than a charming bedtime story. However, as the village faced a severe drought, and crops withered under the relentless sun, Elara decided to seek out the legendary tree. With a small, well-worn map in hand, Elara journeyed into the heart of the enchanted forest, where sunlight filtered through the leaves, creating a mesmerizing dance of shadows on the forest floor. After hours of wandering, she stumbled upon the majestic magic tree, its branches reaching towards the sky as if eager to touch the stars. Standing before the tree, Elara closed her eyes and made a heartfelt wish for rain to nourish the thirsty land. To her surprise, a gentle breeze began to rustle the leaves, and dark clouds gathered overhead. Raindrops started to fall, washing away the dust from the leaves and bringing life back to the once parched earth. Elara's heart filled with gratitude, and she whispered words of thanks to the magic tree. As the rain continued to fall, the village rejoiced, and the once dying crops flourished anew. The news of Elara's encounter with the magic tree spread throughout the village, and soon, people came from far and wide to make their wishes. Each person who approached the magic tree had a unique story and a sincere desire in their heart. A lonely elderly woman wished for companionship, and soon she found a loyal friend. A struggling artist wished for inspiration, and colors flowed effortlessly from the tip of their brush. A weary traveler wished for a safe journey home, and the path before them became clear. The magic tree, with its ancient wisdom, continued to weave magic into the lives of those who believed in its power. And so, in that little village, hope, joy, and kindness flourished under the watchful branches of the extraordinary magic tree, a testament to the enduring magic that lies within the simplest and purest of hearts.